Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I am showing you how I wash my wig, my fake hair wig. So basically, as you can see, the wig is very damaged. The hair is just damaged and it's fake hair. Yeah, let's start there. It's fake hair, so it's really damaged, and a lot of people throw away fake hair because of it cannot be manageable and stuff like that. So this is basically what I do. This is a shampoo that I use because it's around the house, it's in the house. You can basically use any shampoo that you want to use, that you have, whether it's like a lovely shampoo, any shampoo that you have. And the plug is Stay Soft, and you basically put Stay Soft in the water. as you can see as you can see how I do it. Just do it like that, and basically it does not only help the hair, it also leave it smelling nice and soft and clean. It leaves the hair soft and unbreakable. What you have to do, just leave the hair inside the water for 10 minutes, and after you just take it out of the water, just like what I'm doing. Because the hair is so wet, so I take it outside to just get rid of the wetness. So you don't have to like let it necessarily like dry, very dry. You have to like keep the little bits of wetness, because I'm using basically an iron, a very hot iron. So basically what I do, I just put water, I calm it and like put water, because it can burn if you really don't put any water on it. As you can see, it's gonna be magical. So guys, this is just the easiest way you can use without wasting your money and your time going to the salon. You don't have to like you really use a lot of money and wasting weave, throwing them away. You just have to use what you have in the house, which is Stay Softs, and use an iron, any iron that you have, or any hair dryer or straightener. Basically use what you have. So I hope I have given you an advice, and I hope you can use it and to take care of hair and also to save money. Goodbye. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.